Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be drawing Dark Shadow Fallen Angel, right? So Tokoyami is not his name, from My Hero Academia. So it's when he's able to kind of fly in that most recent episode. So I'm on, well, if you're watching this in the future, it's probably not a recent episode. But I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with his face and his eyes in particular. So center point of my page is about here. Drop it down a little bit because, you know, we've got Dark Shadow at the back, you know, on his back, big cape and everything, and big wings, right? So we'll start with his eyes just down here. So we'll go a line like so. And then curve it around like that. And then his iris just inside, like so. And then we do the same thing on the other side. So big eyes. Another one there. You could give him a pupil maybe. Right. And his beak just underneath. Like a triangle with a curve on top. Like so. And then his head, right? So spiking, pretty simple character design. So it just comes out from the side of his head. Like so. And then we'll go up this way, back. This way, back. And then like a big one in the middle. Like so. So we got like crossed arms, okay, coming across, right? So like his first arm's here. Comes out to his elbow. Right, like so. And then his wrist guard. Like that. And you know, you can have some forearm lines if you wanted. Like this, and so his other elbow crisscross, so it's underneath here. And then kinda it goes out past his shoulder. So where's his shoulder? So his shoulder should be like here somewhere. So he's all hunched over. Like so like shoulder just there. And then his other shoulder sticks out here, like so. I think we can see just like a little bit of his sleeve or arm inside here, like that. Right, so then his other arm, right, comes out. Let's say like here, right? So it's gonna go down underneath. We've got another wristband. Like there, and then this arm will go down into there. And like his other sort of wristband is here. Right, so now his hands, right? So we got like, take your time with hands, they're tricky. So thumb. Comes up and around here. Next one. Finger goes up. He's doing like this kind of thing. And then his knuckle there, come back, another knuckle, down, another knuckle, down to there, right? You can add like some fingernails and things at the tips. And then the next finger, so one, there. Knuckle. Fingernail on the top. Next one. This is his ring finger. Comes down like so. And then his pinky. Down, around. Into there, knuckle. Down, into there. And then just add like some fingernails and stuff on top. Right, so that's one hand, and then the other, kind of the same, except it's a bit more behind his shoulder, right? So it kind of like comes out from the thumb, comes out from his shoulder here. Goes up, around, down to there. Out, down to there. Knuckle line, right? So we're just roughly getting in the fingers. They're kind of drawn in roughly in the anime as well, so you know, they're not too detailed. This comes back, knuckle, one down there, fingernail, there, and then finger out, up, back. You can see a little bit of the underneath there. This comes out, down, down to there. Okay, so we've got those like big dark shadow sort of wings, right? So we're going to go out from his shoulder, go up, thumb, back down, down to there, up for the next sort of claw, down, like so. Then this comes up, there, down, here, in, round, up, down. In, round, there, and back in, there, and then we'll bring it down into his shoulder there. Then the next one, so we'll go same thing again, up for the thumb, back in, back down, back up, top of the page, back in, down, like so, and then up to the top, back down, and then claw comes down to there, little finger, back, and then this one will come down, around, go back into like his shoulder somewhere there. And then, so we can see sort of dark shadows, eyes and stuff. So it's underneath the hood, and so it's like there's a big hooded area, sort of just here. Comes down around there, kind of like another sort of layer to that hood. Like so. And we can sort of see his eyes inside. So they're kind of all scratchy and stuff on the edge. And then some more hooded lines. Down like so. So like folds and stuff. And then the back of that hood comes up around the top, down around, like it's a big cloak sort of thing, right? So there's like, you know, lots of like fold lines and things. Comes down around here. It goes sort of out here somewhere as well. There's like fold lines down here. Like that. And so that's pretty much it, except Dark Shadow has all sort of scriggly scratch marks and things all over him. So I'll do that now. Right, but I think I'll leave it there. So I went sort of with the manga sort of style, lots of hatching. I know in the anime they do it with a digital effect, so it's like scratchy going, it's kind of moving all the time. So, but if you're drawing, you kind of have to go with the manga style because just with hatching all over. But that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Dark Shadow, Fallen Angel. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.